Welcome back. And the manufacturing plant of chemicals, Major Chemplab Alkali Limited, located in Kalapattu, reported a gas leak earlier today. Now, a potential threat, the Chief Minister ordered a shutdown of the Puducherry plant. Now, as a result of the leak, 30 persons believed to have inhaled the fumes have been hospitalized. Now, authorities, including the collector and the health minister, were rushed to the spot. A large number of people gathered around the plant, but were assured of the safety measures by the authorities. And the Pondicherry collector Ragesh Chandra in fact joined us and told us about the series of events leading up to the gas leak.
Because of the incident, 30 people have been admitted in the hospital for the causes of nausea and suffocation. This happened actually because of a gas leakage. We were changing a cylinder in the morning about 7:30. For about 2 minutes there was a gas leakage, and then the factory people themselves have corrected it. The wind direction has taken the gas to a nearby village, and 30 people in the village were affected. Immediately we have rushed us forth and sealed the factory, and the entire machinery is secured. There is absolutely no problem. Everything is calm and quiet. The factory has been closed down for further inquiries. Public had gathered in front of the factory. We have rushed there, including the Honorable Minister for PWD and Minister for Industries. We have calmed the people, assuring them that different actions will be taken and the proper precautionary actions will be taken. So everything has been now under control, and people have all got calmed down and they have left the place.
Well, in some national news, as India celebrates its 62nd Republic Day, there are again many reasons for us to be proud and to celebrate. But incidents like the ones that we are reporting from Maharashtra only prove that we still have a long way to go to protect life and liberty in this country. Now, 7 people arrested for burning alive additional district collector Yashwant Sonavane have been sent to police custody. The public prosecutor said in court that the involvement of important people in the killing could not be ruled out. Now, the court was told that Sonavane was attacked as he tried to photograph the pilfering of oil. Now, the horrific manner of the killing has brought up the issue of the infamous oil mafia that operates in Manmad, an area famous for its oil deposits. Now, Manmad is at the junction of 4 highways, which makes it easier for the pilferage to take place when the trucks are en route to other towns. Now, Manmad is believed to have a huge oil mafia, which is suspected of exercising control on the administration through its money and muscle power.
We have ordered very strict action against wherever such activities are taking place in the state. That will be parallel action. We are going to the root of this incident itself. What exactly happened? Who are behind it? And I think we have already taken into custody 4 or 5 people. The interrogation is going on. The main accused, who is also in the hospital, is also being interrogated. So we'll get to the bottom of it.
And well, back in the city, onto the Republic Day celebrations, Governor Surjit Singh Barnala hoisted the national flag in the presence of the Chief Minister, army chiefs and other top officials of the state. And the function began with the ceremonial march past of different contingents, followed by the pageantry of floats that depicted the latest military hardware. Now, awards were given to sportsmen from the state who excelled in the Commonwealth and the Asian Games. Now, meanwhile, gallantry awards were honouring the commitment and sacrifice of soldiers were also given out. Now, excited students were also a part of the parade as they performed to various folk numbers. Now, the tableaus also showcased the government's various welfare provisions. Now, the Republic Day is indeed a proud day for the men in uniform, and this is what they had to say when we caught up with them.
It is for the youth. Ours is a very young nation in the Committee of Nations, and it is essential that the youth power is brought to the fore. And I am sure in this Republic Day, we rededicate ourselves for the high ideals with which our national freedom was fought.
Parade was exemplary. I feel very proud to be in uniform and able to serve the nation. Though everybody serves, but serving in uniform is something which gets you a special pride.
Now, the state government gave away several awards to various people for their outstanding achievements in their respective fields. Now, we caught up with the recipient of the state government's Communal Harmony Award.
I'm right now joined by Jamaluddin, the recipient of the Communal Harmony Award given by the Tamil Nadu government here at the Republic Day Parade celebration at Marina. Sir, இன்றைய சமுதாயத்தில் இந்த மத நல்லிணக்கம்ன்றது எவ்வளவு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னு நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்க சார்?
ரொம்ப முக்கியம். அது மத நல்லிணக்கம் இருந்தால் தான் நாட்டில் அமைதியும் நிம்மதியும் இருக்கும். அது ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது.
நீங்கள் வந்து திருவண்ணாமலையிலேருந்து சேர்ந்தவங்க சார். ஸோ உங்கள் பகுதியில் எப்படி இந்த மத நல்லிணக்கம் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணதுக்காக இந்த கவர்மெண்ட் வந்து உங்களுக்கு இந்த அவார்டு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க?
அதாவதுங்க, இந்து முஸ்லீம் ஒற்றுமையாக இருக்கிறதுக்காக முழுமையாக பாடுபடுறோம். எங்கே எந்த பிரச்சனைகள் வந்தாலும் அது நாம் வந்து சுமூகமாக போய் பேசி தீர்த்து வைக்கிறோம். அந்த மத நல்லிணக்கத்திற்காக இந்த அவார்டு எனக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்டது.
இன்றைய இளைஞர்களுக்கு நீங்கள் ஏதாச்சும் சொல்ல விரும்புகிறீங்களா சார் இந்த மத நல்லிணக்கத்தை பற்றி?
இன்றைக்குள்ள இளைஞர்கள் வந்து எல்லா மதத்தோடு ஒத்து போகணும், எல்லாம் சிந்தித்து எதுவும் அமைதியாகவும் நிதானமாகவும் செய்தாங்கன்னா எந்த பிரச்சனையும் இருக்காது.
And while Army Doctor Major Laishram Jotin Singh was awarded the highest Peacetime Gallantry Award, the Ashok Chakra, for his bravery while fighting militants during an attack on the Indian Embassy in Kabul. Now he is the first Army doctor to receive the Ashok Chakra.
A poignant moment for the Laishram family. Major Laishram Jotin Singh, who was a doctor with the Indian Army, will be the first doctor to posthumously receive the country's highest Peacetime Gallantry Award, the Ashok Chakra. Major Jotin Singh was posted in Kabul when the Indian embassy was attacked in 2010. As the suicide bomber broke through the security barricades firing at people, an unarmed Major Singh charged at the terrorist and pinned him down. The bomber detonated his suicide vest. 5 people died in the attack, including Major Singh. But his dare to take on the terrorists saved many lives.
I feel proud of my brother, but I feel very sorry. I cannot express it when he is no more. He saved many lives, but we miss him.
Major Jotin was supposed to have got married this year. His family gathered around his ailing father, says they're proud of his act.
Actually, it was a mixed feelings. It is a mixed feelings. One way, it is very, very happy. It is very, very what we call proud to be received this prestigious award. But the loss of my brother-in-law can never be filled.
With Kishalay Bhattacharjee in Guwahati and Amitav Revi, Ambika Verma, NDTV.
Well, moving ahead, that exotic trip to God's own country is now only a few minutes away from your home in Chennai, all courtesy of students at IIT. We'll bring you more pictures on the other side. Keep watching.